Imagine entering a temple. But instead of seeing a magnificent idol of the goddess, you find only a small sacred pit. Yet, every day, thousands of devotees travel from across India to pray here. Why? Why do people break coconuts until they split perfectly? Why is this temple believed to remove life's greatest obstacles? And how is this sacred place connected to Arjuna, Lord Shiva, Goddess Parvati, and Adi Shankaracharya? Today, we uncover the fascinating story of Kerala's miraculous Kadmapuja Bhagwati Temple. Kadmapuja Bhagwati Temple is located in Kadmapuja, Malappuram district, Kerala, close to the Kozhikode-Thrissur National Highway. It is one of Kerala's most visited Devi temples and is dedicated to Goddess Parvati in her Kirtha, huntress, form. The legend begins during the Mahabharata. While the Pandavas were in exile, Arjuna performed severe penance to obtain the Pashupastra, the divine weapon of Lord Shiva. To test Arjuna's courage and humility, Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati appeared disguised as tribal hunters. At the same time, the demon Muksura, disguised as a wild boar, attacked Arjuna. Both Shiva and Arjuna released arrows simultaneously, killing the boar. An argument followed over who had actually slain it. Without realizing the hunter was Lord Shiva himself, Arjuna challenged him to battle. After a fierce fight, Arjuna realized the hunter was Mahadev and surrendered. During this divine encounter, Goddess Parvati is believed to have disappeared into the earth at this very spot. Later, Adi Shankaracharya recognized the divine presence there and consecrated the temple around the sacred place where she vanished. One of Kadmapuja's greatest mysteries is that there is no idol of the goddess. Instead, devotees worship a small sacred pit, Swayambhu Sthana, believed to mark the spot where Goddess Parvati entered the earth. This makes Kadmapuja one of the rare temples in India where the divine presence itself is worshipped rather than an image or idol. The temple is world famous for Muttarukkal. In Malayalam, Muttu is equal to obstacle. Arukkal is equal to cutting away. A priest breaks a dehast coconut while chanting the devotee's name and birth star. If the coconut breaks cleanly into two equal halves, it is believed that the devotee's obstacles have been removed. If it breaks unevenly, another coconut is offered until it splits properly. Another unique offering is Pumudal. Thousands of techi, ixora, flowers are showered over the sacred spot where the goddess is worshipped. Unlike most temples, the flowers are offered directly over the sacred presence instead of an idol. Nearest airport, Calicut International Airport, Karipur. Nearest railway station, Tirur, about 16 kilometers, by road, easily accessible from Kozhikode, Malappuram, Kottakkal, and Thrissur via NH66. Every temple has an idol. Kadmapuja has only faith. Every temple asks you to see the goddess. Kadmapuja asks you to feel her presence. Perhaps that is why, for centuries, millions have walked through these sacred gates carrying worries and returned home carrying hope.